दरवाजे पर दे करो किनारे, खूटे से बंदी है हवा में, लिख के छुड़ाओ सारे। आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपने ही रंग लेके, आसमां का शामियाना आज हमें है सजाना। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान तू। ओ दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए, खुद को जरा पहचान तू। तू धूप है झम से बिखर, तू है नदी बेखबर, बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं, दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है वही। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान तू। बासी जिंदगी उदासी ताजी, हंसने को राजी, गर्मा गर्म सारी अभी अभी है उतारी। जिंदगी तो है बताशा, मीठी मीठी सी है आशा, चकले रख ले हथेली से ढक ले से। तुझ में अगर प्यास है, बारिश का घर भी पास है। रोके तुझे कोई क्यों भला, संग संग तेरे आकाश है। तू धूप है झम से बिखर, तू है नदी बेखबर, बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं, दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है वही। खुल गया आसमां का रास्ता, देखो खुल गया। मिल गया खो गया था जो सितारा, मिल गया मिल गया।
You continue with it. You continue. So, how do you liking it, the competition?
I really nice that at such a small age they are being given opportunity from the school.
Ah,
I mean, when we were in school, something like this was I never saw something like this. Even though talent was present, but then identifying from so many students and then selecting them for an international level is a very big thing, a big initiative the school has taken.
ah.
And I'm glad that she's doing good.
What do you think about this artwork doing with the parents, with the support of a parent?
This was actually great. I mean, we were worried that, if they mess up, I mean, generally when somebody guides, it comes out the best.
Yeah.
So this was something really nice that parents were also allowed, so we are also sure that their talent comes out best on the paper.
And I think the child also feels comfortable. Yeah. And I think sometimes they have a lot of questions to ask, and there's no suggestion. So I think that helps a lot.
That helps a lot. I mean, I have never seen any competition where parents are.
Yeah, actually.
It's generally for such small children, they need some guidance. I think one teacher cannot pay attention to all the children at the same time. So this is really good that parents, one parent is allowed.
So how do you see the first competition that they have appear for, and this one is the second one?
Yeah.
So
First one, actually, we did not come to know which picture and what was there.
yeah,
Only one child came home and told us. But then she was happy that I did it. But here, at least, we have the surety what they have. We can also hold our ideas and guide them.
okay,
Because I personally love art a lot, and I do a lot of painting.
okay.
So it feels really nice that she's also good in this, and I'm able to guide her.
Actually, we have we have lot of different criterias into a painting. Like this is a painting, then we have a collage, and then we have thumb printing also. So, what do you think? How what more that we can actually put in?
In the type of competition.
Yeah.
Actually, for this age, I don't know what more we can add. Maybe some these people, they see and they draw.
Okay.
I think drawing is not given, but then something of their imagination also we can just see what creativity they have.
Okay. So, what do you think about the entire concept of Rangotsav?
It's really amazing. I hope this is going to be there for the higher class. Still the higher classes.
Yeah, it is.
I
It
hope
is.
she flourishes.
Good.
I mean, it was a surprise for us when she got a medal. She got selected and she got a medal from that. It really makes us proud that at such tender age she's been able to do that.
Thank you. Yeah. So, how are you liking the competition?
We are enjoying it.
You're enjoying.
Yeah. I mean, student accompany with parent is helping them also and giving them confidence, and to us also how they are doing.
Do you think that works? To develop the art in a better way.
Yeah, yes, definitely works.
What feedback would you like to give, as in when we are organizing this kind of competition?
Such organization of competition helps us to know about the children better. So such frequency can be increased.
Yeah.
This will go a long way.
So you mean to say that add on these kind of things more into the curriculum?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it helps.
Does it brings a bond in between the child and
Yeah, definitely some disconnect and some bond, both. So it helps us to know their brain also, how they are working in a competitive environment under pressure within the timeline.
Yeah.
So we get to know more about them, how they are proceeding with their work.
So do you comfortable with the given whatever the time is actually
Yes, yes.
allotted
Yeah.
in 1.5 hours? Do you think it is managed?
It is manageable, yeah.
Yeah.
It slightly pushes them.
Yeah.
For them, it is maybe little lesser, but it pushes them, which is good.
Do you think that you are able to use the wise material to create more effects?
Yes, definitely, yeah.
ठीक.
Thank you so much.
कशी वाटली कॉम्पिटिशन?
व्हेरी नाईस मजा आली म्हणजे शी एन्जॉयड अ लॉट
अच्छा.
आणि इट हेल्प्स टू तिला आवडतं पेंटिंग करायला आणि ती सगळे वापरले फिंगर्स वापरले ब्रश वापरला केअरबर्ड्स वापरले आणि ते सुद्धा सांगत होते मला हे काय वापरायला
अच्छा.
व्हेरी नाईस मजा आली
वेळेबद्दलचं काय म्हणणं आहे तुमचं?
कशाबद्दलचं
वेळ दिली होती
वेळ ना
त्याच्यामध्ये होतं का काम?
पुरेशी होती बऱ्यापैकी होती वेळ
अच्छा.
कारण पेंटिंग असल्यामुळे फक्त काय आयडिया मिळाली होती ना कसं करायचं ते आणि वेळ पुरेस होता
अच्छा.
वापरायला इंस्ट्रुमेंट वापरायला कटकोरमध्ये पेंटिंग करायला सहज झालं, म्हणजे असं काही कुठे त्रास वाटलं नाही की खूप प्रेशर येते बर्डन येते. छान झालं.
पालकांबरोबर जेव्हा मुलं चित्र काढतात तर ते कितपत सपोर्टिव्ह होतं ॲक्च्युली.
इनिशियल स्टेजला ते नक्की सपोर्टिव्ह असतं जेव्हा मुलं लहान असतात,
हां.
आणि त्यांना मग ते कळतच काहीच नसतं, म्हणजे कुठला कॉम्बिनेशन जायला पाहिजे कसं असतं. तेव्हा आपण त्यांना हेल्प केली की त्यांना आयडिया मिळते,
अच्छा.
आणि त्यांना मग सांगायला लागतं की कुठे कशा जायचं आहे, कुठे हलक्या हाताने करायचं आहे. जसं गाडी झाली की त्यांना हळूहळू अंतर मिळतो,
अच्छा.
म्हणजे कुठल्या अँगलने स्ट्रोक्स मारायचे असतात किंवा पेपरचा टर्न करायचा, हातला रंग लागून म्हणून काय काळजी घ्यायची.
अच्छा.
ते सांगितलं त्यांना बरं पडतं, म्हणजे त्यांना कळतं.
पण पालकांबरोबर ही जी चित्र केली ही संकल्पना तुम्हाला
खूप छान
आवडली.
आहे. हो, एकटं करण्यापेक्षा त्यांना थोडंसं ते घाबरतात. पालक असलं की त्यांना थोडा कॉन्फिडन्स येतो आणि फ्री हँडमध्ये ड्रॉइंग करतात.
मग ओव्हरऑल जी कन्सेप्ट आहे या रंगोत्सवची त्याच्याबद्दल तुम्हाला काय म्हणायचं वाटतं?
रंगोत्सव मी बघितलं, त्याचं टेम्पलेट बघितलं, त्यात बरेच प्रकार आहेत, खूपच व्हरायटी आहे. म्हणजे असं नाही की फक्त एकच पेंटिंग आहे, वॉटर कलर किंवा क्रेयॉन्स आहे, आणि सगळ्या ह्यांना भाव देते, सगळ्या क्रिएटिव्हिटी, कोलाज असू दे, ड्रॉइंग असू दे, वॉटर कलर असू दे, हे सगळ्यांना भाव देते. खूप छान आहे. आणि इव्हन त्यांनी बक्षीसमध्ये पण हे सगळ्यांना त्यांनी हे केलं, म्हणजे प्रमोट केलं सगळ्यांना की बघ नंबर 1 किंवा नंबर 2ला सगळ्यांनीच त्यांनी
Encourage केलं.
एनकरेज केलं.
ही चांगली गोष्ट आहे. चालेल, थँक्यू.
You are getting chance. First time we are Rangotsav is giving chance that students along with the parents and parents will guide. Tell me about this experience. That we are sitting with the students and students in front of us doing this presentation. Tell me about this experience.
Very nice. We are feeling like that we are coming back to schools. Encouraging our students. It's nice.
Thank you so much.
Start.
It's very nice experience to be with our kids and help them doing this performance.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Quality of the paper, and you like the whatever things provided by the Rangotsav.
Yes, Rangotsav celebration, it's a very nice competition. Even kids and the parents, we all are really enjoying this one. And we request such competition should happen many times.
Okay, thank you so much,
Thank you
sir.
for organizing such nicely. Thank you very much. SSRB.
Thank you so
Staff
much.
and supporting staff organized very well. Thank you.
Yes, the time has begun for this competition is very sufficient. The staff is very supportive, the teachers are smiling. And today is Vasant Panchami. No other day can be so precious for the international competition. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Yes, it's